Welcome to The Explainer. Look, we're going to jump right in today because we need to talk about a fundamental shift in how people actually find websites. AI-assisted discovery, it isn't just some far-off sci-fi future trend anymore. It is our current reality, and quite frankly, it's the future of online search. If you're running a WordPress site and you want traffic, exposure, or sales, this is happening right now, and you absolutely must adapt if you want to survive.
Just to put this into perspective, think about this massive milestone. Google reported in May 2026 that over 1 billion, yes with a B, 1 billion monthly users are already utilizing their AI mode. That's a billion people getting their answers directly from AI instead of clicking through standard links. If you aren't actively optimizing for this shift right now, you are going to be left behind. No question about it.
And we aren't just talking about people casually asking chatbots for recipe ideas either. This is driving massive, real-world business. According to Adobe, we're seeing an absolutely staggering 693% year-over-year growth in AI referrals specifically for retail. And those surges, they're happening everywhere. Travel's up over 500%, finance 260%, software 120%. Buyers are literally using AI to make real purchases right this second.
So you might be wondering what exactly happens to traditional search in all this. Well, Pew Research dropped a bit of a bombshell. They found that the moment an AI summary appears at the top of a page, traditional link click-through rates plummet from 15% down to just 8%. Clicks are basically being cut in half. It's super simple. You have to be in that AI summary, or you are going to lose your traffic.
What we're seeing is that user behavior has fundamentally flipped. The old way, we used to hunt through endless lists of blue links, trying to piece together an answer. But the new way, people are directly asking AI systems to just make decisions for them. They're asking things like, which CRM tool is best for my small business? Or where's the best place to book dinner tonight? They want the AI to compare, create a shortlist, and decide for them.
Okay, so how do you actually become part of that AI answer? Your website essentially needs 4 things: clear facts, relevant details, current information, and credible proof. Here's the core problem a lot of us face. Actually, scratch that. It's the main reason sites lose rank today. If your site's facts and trust signals are scattered or missing, AI just can't easily explain you. And if it can't explain you, it's going to skip right over you, even if your product is the absolute best on the market.
Which brings us to a really powerful workflow called Clear Signal AI Visibility Core. It's essentially a 6-step process built right inside your WordPress dashboard. It's designed to help AI completely understand your site, safely, and without any of that reckless automation you see with other tools. You audit your readiness, organize your facts, improve your content, and ultimately control the publishing. You keep the final say entirely in your hands, which is a big deal.
Now you might be thinking, this is just some local SEO trick. No way. This is good for pretty much any site online. Whether you're a local service trying to clarify your expertise, an e-commerce brand relying on buying guides, or a SaaS app detailing your use cases. If you need traffic, exposure, conversions, sales, or opt-ins, making your site understandable to AI is a universal must-have. It works across the board.
All right, here's where the extreme value of this specific tool really shines. The source material highlights that Clear Signal Core is currently available for a one-time launch price of just $17. Think about that. No recurring monthly subscriptions draining your budget. You just pay once, and you can start closing those AI visibility gaps right inside your WordPress workspace immediately.
To really put that financial advantage into perspective for a second, established alternative AI visibility tools out there generally charge around $29 every single month just to get started. Getting Clear Signal for a single one-time payment of $17 is a massively strategic move for your business. Plus, I should point out, this launch pricing definitely won't be around for long.
The developers of the tool actually pose this really honest, break-even question. Could one clearer page, one stronger proof point, or just one single additional client conversation be worth more than $17? Well, the answer is obviously yes. Achieving literally just a single micro-conversion generated by an AI recommendation makes getting in at this price point an absolute no-brainer.
So, I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. If your audience is out there right now asking AI to choose their next software, their next contractor, or their next meal, is your website part of the answer, or is it just a bunch of scattered facts? It is time to stop leaving your traffic to guesswork. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will see you on the next one.